Hello everyone, this is Venkatesh P. And now, how to do the Selenium setup in your PC? So most of the people they will be getting the doubt how to do the Selenium setup in your PC. Okay, fine. So how to do the Selenium setup in your PC? The first thing is you need Eclipse, right? Okay, fine, boss. Eclipse you need, Java also we need, Selenium also we need, TestNG also we need, Maven we need, Jenkins we need. Okay, fine. The last two we can ignore it. For the basic Selenium learning level, we can ignore this one. Okay. If you want to start only script development, we need these four things. What is that? Eclipse, Java, Selenium, TestNG. How to do that? But I don't have any Eclipse in my system. Simple. Just copy this URL, go to the browser and paste it here, press enter. It will go to this particular Eclipse site. It's a free, okay? If you want, you can allow the cookies also, or you can declare no issue. You can see lot of Eclipse. This is for Java developer. This is for J2E. That's enterprise Java developers. Like ignore it. C++, PHP, everything. PHP means PHP language. If you are using for Selenium, then you can use it. Okay. Time being, you can ignore all the other steps. Directly, you can use this one or this one. Okay. Assume that if you are taking this one, it will go to here, and here is lot of versions will be there. These are all the lot of older version of the Eclipse. Simply, if you want the latest one, you can select this latest one, click it on this Windows. If you are using the Windows platform, you can use it this one. Mac means this one, Linux means this one. Download it. I already downloaded the Eclipse in my system locally. So, okay, this is my Eclipse, the latest Eclipse right now. Okay, it is taking time. Okay, this is the latest version I am using this. It's a 2020 version, latest one. But that doesn't mean that latest one you have to use. You can use anything, no issue. Okay, fine. The next one is, okay, but immediately after downloading the Eclipse, will it work? No, because Eclipse is developed on top of Java. So you have to download the Java. Okay, just take this, the URL, and put it in the browser and download the Java. Okay, it's a free Java. Okay, and again, boss, I have the JRE. Can I use a JRE? Don't use a JRE. JRE is the Java runtime environment. You need Java development toolkit. Okay, so use that actually. In this cases, again you will be getting, boss, right now Java 14 is going on, 15 is going on. You are using Java 8. I am recommending to use a Java 8 or 7. Okay, fine. If you open this particular site also, there are so many versions over here. Which one I should download? I am using the Windows platform, so I am going to here. You can use Windows x86 or Windows x64. Depends on your, whether it is a 32-bit or 64-bit. Depends on your operating system, you can download. Okay. If we download this, if we click it on this one, it will be asking the username and password. See, if you are accepting this, it will be asking you to log in. No need to panic. It's a free only. Just create one account. Okay, just enter this all the details and create the account, and after that you can sign in. Then immediately it will be downloading in the download folder. If you ask me, it was downloaded here. Okay, this is the JDK. This is JDK Java, Java 8 update 261. I am just downloaded here, and double click it and install it. Once you did the installation, what will happen? You will see the entry here in the Java here. See JDK. Okay, Then after that, if you are trying to open the Eclipse will open. Otherwise, Eclipse won't open. Please remember carefully. Okay. So, what you have to do? First download the Eclipse, then open it and download the Java and install it. Installing means nothing, simply double click. That's all. No need to put more effort. Okay, fine. Next one is Selenium. How to download the Selenium? Fine. Just go here. Go to this site selenium.dow.download. If we go to here, the latest Selenium version is going on stable version. Okay, 3.141.59. Just go here and download it. Okay, again you will be getting the doubt, boss, should I use the latest one, can I use the old one also? No problem. If we go to here, I'll repeat one more time. If you go to the here, in the previous release, go back, you will see all the versions. 3.10, 3.1, 3.12, 13, 14, everything you can find over here. Okay.